Okay, I've got her traced out here. The line could be a little fatter than what I was hoping. I don't have a sharp or a wide enough Sharpie, so I'm just going to accommodate a little bit when I do my tracing. So you can see the outline. It's the fish, and then there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 blue tiles around the fish. Come on, focus, thank you. So it'll be the fish inset in 4 blue tiles, so then you can kind of visualize it a little more right there. So the next thing that I like to do is label and color, and the color scheme is right here. He wants this to be, this is a really traditional native salmon looking design. He came to me with this design and said, can you make me something like this, 18 inches? I said, sure. I'm gonna have to change it a little bit because I don't want to completely plagiarize somebody else's artwork. So I changed it around a bit. There's a few lines different. There's a yin yang I put in there, and there's a couple things different. He likes it, I like it. It's not my original design, but I'm working with somebody else's. So I drew that off of what he gave me and changed it. And these are the colors that he wants. He doesn't want it to look like a salmon. He wants it to look more like a trout. He sent me pictures of a trout. So with colors I have in stock, I have this travertine. It's kind of a rose colored. I don't know, I'm sure somebody knows the exact name and color of it. This is seafoam green granite. That's the color I know it as because that's the color of my countertops. We did the mini planks or mini slabs in my kitchen, not the 12-inch stuff, but this stuff is really pretty. There is some black galaxy here with the gold specks in it, or pyrite, I guess I should say. We've got some white marble. We've got a little leftover blue tile scrap porcelain out of the last steam shower that I did for the water. And then we've got this red granite. I've got some shards of this stuff. I keep all my scrap, anything big, because things like this come along and I turn this into money. So you throw money away. So I like to keep my money. So these are the colors. And what I'll do is I have a set of art sticks here, woodless colored pencils. These things are the bomb. You can find an art store that has these. So these are colored pencils without the pencil. So it's just the lead, if that's what you want to call it. So these are pretty awesome. This is what I color pretty much all this stuff with up here. So I'm gonna find a color that kind of closely mimics or matches what I'm working with here for my color scheme. And then I'm gonna take those colors and I'm going to be a kid again and I'm gonna color my pattern. And then after it's colored, I'm gonna go through and label it. So if I was using anything waxy like a crayon or something, I would probably label it first and then color it, because if you put wax on the paper and you try to go over it with Sharpie, it doesn't work so well. So that's just a lesson learned the hard way there. But that's gonna be the next phase, so I will keep you in tune. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.